Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield today we have the SONOS Play 1 going up against the Charge 3. For the curious heads out there, let's do this and I will tell you what I think at the end of the video. As usual, the speakers are 6 feet away from the sound recorder and they are playing at 75% volume. Put your headphones on and let's hear the speakers speak.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not.
And there you have it, guys. Sonos is way louder. I almost put up the volume of the Charge 3, but I decided not to just so you guys can actually hear the difference between the two speakers. As far as sound quality, the Charge 3 may not be as loud, but both speakers handle lows pretty well. Sonos bass sounded a little bit punchy to me in some songs, but I don't think it's something that an average consumer would notice or be concerned about. As far as mids and highs, the Play 1 handles this better than the Charge 3, which makes its music sound a little bit brighter than what you get from the Charge 3. The Play 1 has a mono output while the Charge 3 has a stereo output, but honestly you can only tell the difference if you are 2 to 3 feet away from the speakers. As far as which one you should buy, I will give you 3 things that will hopefully help you make a decision. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful at all. Number 1 is sound quality. I'll give this to the Play 1 because of its brighter music and loudness. And number 2 is portability. The Play 1 plays music wirelessly, but it has to be plugged into a power outlet. It's made to be a home system, not to be moved around like the Charge 3, which is battery powered and can be taken pretty much anywhere. And reason number 3 is video playback. The Play 1 plays music using its app only, and the app does not support video playback, so you cannot watch videos on your device with the sound coming out of the Play 1. This includes videos stored locally on your device or YouTube videos. So if this is something that you were counting on, the Charge 3 might just be what you are looking for. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.